Voces na cabeça, 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 voces na cabeça.
Voices na cabeça.
We sit and watch this world fall so slowly into the darkness with no way of recharging. Regardless, some must believe that maybe we can push straight through this hardship. Banging against the wall with broken fingers and fucking scarred fists. Politicians so quick to sweep everything under the fucking carpet. To them, all it's about is the money and fucking margins. No fucks given to the future of every one of our kids. They march them into wars as walking, talking targets. As long as they're getting wage slips, then I guess they're hitting targets. We're puffing on cigars made of Satan's fucking charred dick. I'm flicking the ash on the people I told you not. Dread to think of here to give you something to get charged with. Cause the anger's getting compressed like ball bearings in a cartridge. And that shit's gonna go off like a firework in the darkness. But ain't gonna be no pretty colours. It's gonna be our strength in numbers mixed with our faith in others. So join us sisters, brothers, and let us rise up and all try to help each other before the leaders of the world turn us on one another. Propaganda keeps the mind twisted and the eyes covered, but rip off the blind veil to reveal this fucking cesspit. Where the poor are getting poured empty shells as their nest egg. The drama unfolds, it's all real, it ain't no West End. But people getting labelled as gangs for their best friends. And you can get more time for planting a sex pest. Yeah, I'm from England, but I ain't proud to wear that crest yet. Until I have a government that's in the people's best interest. Instead of some the rich cunt ideal of progress. He's robbing everyone's piggy banks and leaving them with the hog's head. And choking them with entrails. It ain't gonna end worse. I'm well net and I get so net them with this. What they wanna be like, snapping it.
Eu xa foxin da vida, xa me perdi no mar. Lutando polo povo, dando lonxe do meu lar. Levo aquí no peito, terra de Breojan. Eles que falen merda que agora chejará. Do teu verdor singido, cheiro do teu chan. Teño a certeza que eles non nos calarán. Fai falla darlle lume, fai falla darlle pau. E sangue en todo verso, ata que fique cao. Ladróns a miña terra, andan con pel do bella. Lobos somos nos en uso das orellas. Vida que che prende que lle imos a facer. O pasado tá perdida media hora pra esquecer. Non cho podo prometer, nada teño que ofertar. Cando teño un problema fago fume vai proar. Vida de vicio é unha vida de pecado. E proibecho o goberno e non acaba co mercado. Lesóns de moral en formato nacional. Enjanar a un rapaz pa ser do corpo policial. Comunado capital, terrorista natural. Eles teñen o poder, eles poden checala. Pra ti tá todo ben, hai sentado no sofá. Na casiña dos teus pais vendo a vida pasar. Eu non o podo aturar, tanta xente pra culpar. O meu corpo tá na terra, a cabeza a reventar. E fume, morte, vida marginal. Coca-Cola e a rosa, súa comida do Natal. Eu respiro, ainda si non sei o que facer. Choritos na polas costas que me deixan do revés. Outro fillo tá sen pai, porque o vello tá no bar. Chorando ca súa nai, nada vai a solventar. Son costumes de outro tempo e símbolos do patriarcado. Ter os homes cunha bola e as rapazas no mercado.